Need to compare two text files and find what changed. Notepad doesn't have a built-in side-by-side comparison tool, but you can still compare files using a simple workflow. In this guide, I'll show you how to open both files, switch between them, search for differences, and know when you should use a dedicated comparison tool instead. First, locate the two text files you want to compare. Keep them somewhere easy to access, such as the same folder. For this example, use two files containing similar text, with a few words, sentences, or lines changed between them. Open the first file in Notepad. Read through the content and look for important sections you want to compare. If the file is long, you can use Notepad's Find feature to quickly locate specific words or phrases. This gives you a reference point for the second file. Next, open the second text file in Notepad. On newer versions that support tabs, the second document can appear in another tab within the same window. Otherwise, you can open it in another Notepad window. Switch between the two files as you compare their content. Now compare the same sections in both files. Start with the beginning and work your way down. You can copy a word or sentence from one file, then use Find in the other file to check whether the same text exists. This works especially well when you're looking for specific changes. Pay attention to more than just spelling. Look for missing lines, added sentences, changed numbers, or different formatting characters. Even a small change can matter when you're comparing configuration files, notes, or code. Keep a list of anything that doesn't match. One important point: Notepad does not automatically highlight differences between two files. If you need a true side-by-side comparison with additions, deletions, and changed lines highlighted, use a dedicated comparison tool such as WinMerge or another diff application. Notepad is best for simple manual checks, so that's how you can compare text files with Notepad. Open both documents, switch between them, use Find to locate matching text, and carefully check for changes. For quick comparisons, this can be enough. For large files or detailed differences, a dedicated comparison tool will save you time, so choose the method that fits the job. Thanks for watching.